So I'm in Salt Lake City, and I've got a bad exhaust leak that I'm gonna try to get fixed because it's getting really old. It's about 100 degrees out right now, so this is going to be very fun. I'm pretty sure it's the up pipe gasket. So I've been inside eating, waiting on it to cool down, and it's still extremely hot. So I've been inside for like an hour trying to let it cool down. So this is not going to be fun. So anyway, well, I'm in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm about to go in and take a shower. Flying J here. That's going to get very annoying tonight. Just wait, just wait. Yeah, that air dryer goes off about every 15 seconds. It's going to get rather annoying. Anyway, I'm going to deliver this about 11 o'clock in the morning and then get another parcel headed to Springfield, Missouri, and then probably go home for the weekend, and I'm buying a dump truck. I think I said that earlier. So anyway, just giving a quick update. So anyway, well, I'm in North Platte, Nebraska, putting fuel in the truck. This is the next load going to basically Des Moines, Iowa. Just two little drilling things, and they came from a Ritchie Brothers auction, basically in Denver, Colorado. Pretty easy load. I think it's about 10,000 total, and had to walk them forever to the loading dock. And they are slow, like they walk really slow, so it took forever. It took me like 3 hours to get loaded because they wouldn't start. We didn't know it because they had these in a storage building somewhere, but with that kill switch there, if it doesn't have this, for one, you can't walk it, and two, it just won't start. So once we got them, we finally got them started. But and shoot, pretty simple little deal. Just this controls your direction on each track, and then that's your range, low, high, and then you push that and it'll actually make it walk. Pretty neat little rigs, but I don't have no use for them. So anyways, gonna buy a dump truck when I get home. I'll probably include a video of that in this week's video. I already missed one of the loads for this week that came from Salt Lake City, or at least I think I did. Shoot, it's been so hectic I ain't had time. By the time I get to the truck stop, take a shower and go to bed, wake up the next morning and hit the road. But anyway, just hauled another load of pipe like that other one. It was just a little bit smaller diameter, but it was basically the same thing. Going from ADS to ADS, and that other one picked up at ADS in Madera, California, and went to a contractor. So pretty simple loads anyway. Paying pretty good, and shoot, they're easy to load, easy to unload. So these are the kind of loads I like. Anyways, catch up with you. So I'm about to take a shower and go to bed, but I wanted to record before I'll go to bed because I won't have a chance in the morning. But anyway, this is 2 pallets of crap and some light poles. I'm in Springfield, Missouri. This is where it delivers. Come from Des Moines, Iowa. So got some loose crap up there. This should have been in a dry van because it was not packed for a flatbed. Ignore the bad tarp job. This tarp is way too big for these 2 pallets, but it's what I had. So anyway, pretty simple load. This is going to be my last load for a while, until at least after I get back from basic training, which actually when I get that truck, I might go over the road with that truck, so I might start making videos about that. This will be my last hot shot load, at least until May, because between basic and tech school, it's going to be May when I get back, and that's when I plan on going back out on the road. So this will be it for a while. This is the last hot shot load for a while. Kind of hurts me a little bit, but it is what it is. Whenever I come back on the road, it'll be better than ever. I'm going to replace this truck and buy this trailer. And yeah, so got big things coming. Anyways, this will be the last bit for the hot shotting, but this won't be the end of the video. I plan on putting some stuff in about the truck I'm buying, videoing it when I get there. It's been sitting for a little while, but I plan on videoing it some. So, and in the morning I'm dumping this off, and then it's about 4 hours home. Just gonna deadhead home, going straight home. So I may record a little bit when I get unloaded. And what else? I might time lapse a little bit when I'm driving home. Just time lapse the drive a little bit. But other than that, this is it. So I guess we'll see where we go, where I end up after this. Hopefully in that semi on the road with it, blowing its snake back. So we'll see. What would you say? Those still got about 20,000 on them. Anyway, got new brakes put on the truck last night or yesterday, and some new tires. I don't know if you can see them. Still got to do the front ones. At least I intend on doing them. Oh yeah, they're wore out. But anyway, that's not the focus of right now. That's the focus of right now. So, got home last Thursday and went and got it. Put a pair of batteries in it and it fired right up. 3406A cat. And made it about 80 miles and it started knocking, which the oil looks perfect in it. So I really don't know why it started knocking, but anyway, had to park it at a Love's. Yeah, see, there's the oil. So parked it at a Love's and ended up hooking an air hose and a chain to it and drug it about 70 miles home. But anyway, I still like the truck. I'm gonna take the dump bed off and put a fifth wheel on it. And I plan on putting this truck back on the road. Like, I don't know if I don't know how much hot shotting I'm still gonna do. I might have a load tomorrow, but we're leaving for Alaska Friday. So this is going to be the end of, well, I'm kind of late now, but it'll be for last week. And I ended up buying a truck out of an auction up there in Fairbanks. It's a 95 auto car Volvo. I'm not sure if it's a Volvo auto car or what, but anyway, it has a 3406E in it. I don't know if it's any good, but my plan is to bring that 3406E home and put that 3406E in this truck. Because that E model will do a lot better for a road truck. But you know, this one's got a decent amount of frame. I'll probably take that battery box off and get me a fuel tank that'll go up under there, a long fuel tank, and then put a long step toolbox here, and then maybe an APU on the other side. But it's already got, like, I think those are either like spotlight brackets or strobe brackets. Oh yeah, there's spotlights. There's a spotlight on the other side over there. But anyway, this dump bed, I was gonna run it as a dump truck, but this bed is just destroyed. When I was out there getting it running, it actually works. It goes up and everything, but it's just, no, I'll just take it off. But gonna put a sliding fifth wheel on it. Straight pipes, obviously. Can't have no mufflers around here. But it needs a good cleaning. That wing window's broke, so a bird got in here. That's the air compressor. I thought it was the air compressor, but it turns out it wasn't. So it's in decent shape. It's a 79, so you know, it's not gonna be perfect. Good grief, I can't even get in it one-handed. Oh, okay. Got some airlines chewed up in the dash that I gotta fix. Now, this is what I'm not sure of. It says it's an 8-speed, and the knob says 8-speed, but it's got direct and overdrive, and then a high and low down here. Now, I wasn't using this one when I was driving it the other day. I was just using high and low, which it was also not loaded. So, I don't know if this is a 13 or if it's a 8 and that's just deep reduction. So, I'm not sure on that. But anyway, needs a good cleaning. I need to air that window up. It's actually an air window that works, but I forgot to roll it down when we had it hooked up to the air the other day. So need to air it back up. The mattress needs cleaned. It'll probably get a new mattress, but dome lights work. All of this stuff works. Obviously the air conditioner needs charged, but all of the gauges in it worked except the fuel gauge. So yeah, anyway, it's showing 64,000. So that's probably 1,064,000. But anyway, it's a good old truck. It'll make for a good project. And it's fun to drive, I will say that. So anyway, I guess this will probably be the end of this week's video unless I get that load tomorrow. I'll probably just actually no, I'll just throw it into next week's video. And next week's video is going to be out late next week because it's going to be the drive to Alaska, and that's going to be about 6 days. So anyway, I got to go finish the maintenance on my truck. I'm taking, walk back over here. Anyway, so yep, got to run to town and get brakes for it. And the darn boards on it are warping really badly, especially that one, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. So anyway, yep, I'm gonna run and get brakes, but I guess this will be it for this week.